This is a video walkthrough tour of 1703 North La Rosa Drive in Tempe, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Tempe, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Tempe. Step inside to an inviting open-concept floor plan that seamlessly connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas. This bright and functional layout is ideal for everyday living and effortless entertaining. Outdoors is where this home truly shines. The private backyard features a sparkling pool, creating the perfect setting to unwind after a long day or enjoy gatherings year-round. This beautifully designed 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers approximately 1,800 square feet of comfortable living space. Here we have an internal laundry fitted with a washer and dryer for added convenience. As you can see, the additional bedrooms are generously sized and offer flexibility for guests, a home office, or a variety of living needs. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. And to wrap up the tour, here is the spacious primary suite that provides a private and comfortable retreat. Schedule your showing today and experience everything this home has to offer.